Hey, for today's video, I wanted to show you guys what Facebook Messenger bots are and how they can really help your business get to that next level. And all chatbots are is just a way for you to communicate with your customers 24/7 on full automation. This is a great way to be nurturing your audience, building up a retargeting funnel, selling products or services, answering questions, anything you basically want the chatbot to do, it can do it for you. People land on your chatbot from pop-up pages to landing pages to URLs to Facebook ads. There really isn't an end to how somebody can get connected to your chatbot. And the coolest part about this entire process is it's through Facebook Messenger, which is a free platform that we have right now. I'm just going to show you guys how you can really explode your Facebook Messenger. All right, guys, so this is a quick demo to show you in action how these chatbots actually work. So what's cool is down here at the bottom, hey, John, we'd love to learn more about your experience. Can you please answer a couple questions to help us improve our services? I'm going to hit sure, let's do it. Then, as you can see, it's typing. Great. Would you please rate us? Let's say I rated us 5 stars. This is a customer coming into your business, interacting with your business without you actually doing the work. This is what automation actually looks like. And then it says, it would mean a lot to us if you left a review. Could you do that for us? Let's say, sure. Again, typing. It's all automation. Thank you so much. And then this leave review button actually links to your Google reviews on Google so they can leave a review there. This is fantastic for any business to be able to basically have its own, let's just say 24/7 customer service agent answering questions for you, qualifying your potential customers, getting their feedback to be able to make your marketing better for everything. So let's go back up here at the top, and let's say that I right here say, well, maybe I'll just, I'll answer a couple questions maybe later. So I hit maybe later. Again, automation kicks in. Okay, no problem. Type in provide feedback when you're ready. So when they're ready, they can just type in provide feedback. And what's cool about this automation, within 24 hours, we're going to send them another automated message like this saying, hey, thanks for coming into our business. Would you mind leaving us a review or rating our business? And this is just one example of how to automate your business to where you can focus more on your business than answering a ton of repetitive questions for your business. I build these out for businesses all the time, and it works fantastic, especially for building an audience and gaining reviews on autopilot for your business. So as you guys can see, this is an awesome way to be able to get that competitive advantage over your competitors. This is a way to save time, save money, and be able to engage your audience quicker than any other business out there. You are essentially building a customer base, an audience, a following for your business to be able to market to in the future.